Social engineering consists on psychological manipulation techniques that are exercised on the attack subject so that he makes decisions without questioning and thinking. There have been an increase in attacks during 2020 and 2021 up to 200%. The channels are diversifying, and it's no longer just an email, but also other platforms such as WhatsApp, SMS, texting, social networks, and so on. These attacks are still very current threat that affects both of the general public and corporate users. That the user are the weakest link of the security chain. Massive attacks are very cheap to carry out. This technique is probably due to the constant improvements that the attackers are making, and also to the lack of training and awareness of the users. People cannot be patched or programmed, but they can raise awareness. Keeping the alert level high is very difficult. To avoid falling victim to these attacks, in addition to having a robust, reliable, and well-configured security solution, it is important to raise awareness, both individually and at the corporate level. To this end, individuals take a simulation to test their knowledge, while companies can work on training their employees to prevent them from falling into this type of deception. We must design the training according to the type of learning, the vulnerabilities of each person, and the degree of reinforcement needed, making it as an enjoyable and compatible with their work, and complementing it with practical exercises and simulations that allow us to measure the degree of assimilation of concept and knowledge. Ongoing cybersecurity awareness training for employees is critical. There are 4 areas that we need to improve. One is the ongoing cybersecurity awareness training for all the employees. But also we need to develop instruction for all the members of the organization. We also need to frequently review the internal procedures and processes and isolate them. And of course, to have an incident response team that are able to act whenever is needed. The training provided within the organization should be aimed at detecting not only external attackers, but also internal attackers or insiders, and the possible psychological techniques they may use against employees. This is critical to eliminate the risk we face. Given the importance on priority given to preventive, practical, and continuous training of employees, it is recommended that all company departments be involved in the development of guides, training, and drills on social engineering, and its effective and continuous manner. We do not learn in the same way, so this makes us the need to adapt the trainings and the learnings to how the people learn. Awareness is a type of learning. Learning styles are the different ways of perceiving, organizing, and assimilating information and concepts during the experience in which learning is constructed. Aspects such as age of culture are important for training and must be taken into account. AI to date is still into its infancy. The progression and evolution and its growth in machine learning, and therefore a sophistication of attack methods. The question is, can countermeasures to the evolution of machine learning and deep learning be developed to keep users safe? We probably don't know.